So how many types of groundnuts are there? What are those?
Bunch type
Bunch
spreading
type
type.
and spreading type. Okay. So after how many days the flower initiation will be there?
25 to 30.
30 days. Then what is the procedure? First there will be flowering. Then so it is a self-pollinated or cross-pollinated?
Self-pollinated.
Self-pollinated. Then what will happen? Fertilization. Then zygote formation. Then the flower will wither and
Peg
then
formation.
will be there. Then pod formation will start. Okay. So if we will see in this position, you can see there will be two types of branch. One will be reproductive branch, another will be vegetative branch. So in the reproductive branch, what will happen? So here the flowers are there. Okay, can you say which type of leaf is there? You can see in this part 4 leaflets are there. Whether I will say 4 leaflet or 4 leaf, what I will say? It is 4 leaflets. This one is 1 leaf, which is called as pinnate leaf. Pinnate, pinnate leaf. So one pinnate leaf contains 2 pair of leaflets or 4 leaflets. The tip portion, the leaves or the leaflets, which here it is the larger size, and these leaflets are smaller size. So what is the character? Pinnate leaflet. Okay. So you can see just the leaf axil. At the leaf axil, the flower will be there. Okay. So now this flower, the anthers and stamens, and the male reproductive organ as well as the female reproductive organ, anthers as well as the stigma present within the flower cover. But whereas the ovary is present at the joining point of the leaf axil. So here the ovary is present. Okay. So as it is a self-pollinated crop, then the pollens of the anther will fall over the stigma. So here the anthers will fall over the stigma, and now the pollen will move through the style. It will move through the style and it will reach the ovary. And now what will happen? Fertilization will be there. So after fertilization, what will happen? You can see after withering process of the flower will be there. So this flower is already withered. So this withering process of the flower after fertilization, it will take how many days? 2 to 3 days. So within 2 to 3 days, the flower will wither. Okay. Now what will happen? Swelling of this basal portion. What will happen? You can see. So here, after withering, this basal portion of the ovary, it will swell and it will form peg. Then the peg, the movement of the peg is in which direction? Positively geotropic movement will be there. So it will penetrate the ground after some days. So you can see this is the portion. You can see already pegging process is there, and the tip portion, now you can see this is a tiny cornel already. Development of the tiny cornel is there. It was earlier, it is within the ground. So because as we are disturbing the plant, so now the cornel is outside of the ground. Okay. But previously it was inside the ground. You can see. Okay. So after pegging process, when the peg will reach the ground, it will penetrate the ground. Then after pod initiation will be there. So you can see at the tip portion, the zygote is already on tiny cornel. So now the pod initiation will already start. Okay. So you can see here, this is the peg. This is the peg. Okay. Here already pegging process is already there. Okay. You can see the tip portion of the peg is somewhat swollen as compared to the stalk part. Okay. Why it is swollen? Because it contains the zygote. So you can see this peg, it will move towards the ground surface, which is called as the positive geotropic movement of the peg. So here you can see already the peg is within the ground. Already pegging process is completed. Now what will happen? Pod formation will start. So if I will uproot it, you can see this is the pod initiation already there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from one peg, how many pods will be there? Only one pod will be there. And within this pod, how many seeds will be there? Or within this kernel, 1 to 4 kernels will be there. Okay. So we should avoid the intercultural operation after flowering, or you should avoid your entry into the plot at the time of pegging process, because if we will enter into the plot, then it will affect the pegging process of the groundnut. That is why whatever the intercultural operations will be there, you should complete before flowering stage. Okay, thank you.